Hello, this is Michelle Baker of Women of Sales and Influence, sponsored by the National Association of Sales Professionals. And today I just wanted to share with you a tip on networking. Networking seems to be such a awful and pain point for so many people who show up not knowing what to say, not knowing who to talk to. People actually opt out of going to networking events simply because they don't want to go alone and they don't want to end up being alone. And one of the tips that I can give you that has helped me accelerate and have incredible outcomes at networking events is that I don't show up looking for clients. I show up to be a person of value. And what happens is when you show up to add value, that makes you very valuable, and you tend to not be so worried about what people think about you because you are looking to be curious as a value add to those people that you're speaking to, and it leaves an incredible impression. And finally, ask questions. Ask people, what brought you here today? Not what do you do? That is the question that everyone asks. And if you really want to differentiate yourself and be of value, come prepared to ask a question that engages people's thoughts and imagination, and you'll walk away having had an incredible time, and so will the people that you've spoken with. This is Michelle Baker, Women of Sales and Influence, sponsored by the National Association of Sales Professionals.